Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial inspired by this new necklace that I bought. It's a really pretty green yellow bird. I went shopping yesterday and I just had to get this. It's a really different style. And today I'm using pretty much a bunch of NYX colors on my eyes. I'm doing colors that look like the necklace, which are yellow, green, black, a bunch of colors. And I did a cut crease style, so I'll teach you how to do that. And let's get started. Okay, so the first step is going to be I'm going to prime my eyes with Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Just a tiny bit. And put it on my eyelid. All over the eyelid. Okay. And then that is out of the way. Now I'm going to take NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk and then apply it all over my eyelid. Like that. And then blend it with my finger. A little bit more on the crease because that is where the color is more concentrated. So apply a little there. So now I'm going to take NYX eyeshadow and Chick, which is a really pretty chartreuse color. Apply that on my inner corner. Just the inner corner areas. Okay, now I'm going to take Kiwi and use my Japanese medium eyeshadow brush and then apply that on the lid. Okay, now we apply that and then blend those two, and then I'm going to take Urban Decay 24/7 and then draw the line where I want the crease to cut. So I'm looking at my other eye and I'm just going to draw a line. And you gotta quickly blend it before it dries. So I'm gonna use a small brush and then blend it. And only blend upwards, not downwards, because it's gonna take away from the crease cut look. It's gonna take away from the really defined line, the sharpness. So you gotta blend it so you don't see the line. I'm applying eyeshadow on top so it'll make it look more faded out. And I'm taking this beautiful dark forest green, it's a shimmery green called Midnight from NYX. And then applying that on top. And I'm going to blend it with my crease brush. It's all about blending. Ooh, it's so hot in here. Okay, so let's add a little bit more of that green. And now I'm going to take NYX Black, and that's my crown brush, angled fluff. I'm going to take the black and apply it right above right in the outer corners to define it more. And blend it upwards. And then blend more with the crease brush. And now I'm going to take Smashbox number 4 brush and take NYX white. Just a nice flat brush like this, and then define the brow bone. This is going to highlight the brow bone, and it's going to define the brow shape better too. Okay, and then I'm going to blend it with my Bare Minerals brush. I use a lot of brushes. NYX, as cheap as they are, they make the best black and the best white eyeshadow. I think because the black is so pigmented, and the white is hard to find a good white eyeshadow. But look at that. I like it better than MAC's white gesso. I like better than Urban Decay's white. And then the black is like, you just touch it and it's already on your brush. It's so pigmented. So I'm going to take the kiwi again and apply that around here to soften the darkness and give it a little bit more green. Love green. Okay, and then I'm going to take this dark green again, Midnight, and then redefine that crease. Blend, blend, blend. It's all about blending. Blending is a must. Okay, I think I'm good with that. Let me get a Q-tip. Okay. And then I'm gonna take Chick again with a little pencil brush and then apply it in the inner corner. Got some in my eye. And I'm going to take Kiwi and apply that on the lash line. Oh wait, I'm going to take Zero, apply Zero in my water line. And then I'm going to blend it with the brush. Then I'll take Kiwi and apply that like that next to the Chick. And then I'm going to take black and apply that on the outer corner. Okay, and then I'm going to clean up my eyeshadow. Blend more. Okay, so that's the shadow part. Very quick. Cutting the crease is really quick once you get the hang of it. Now I'm going to line my eyes. So I'm taking MAC 210 brush and I'm using this gel eyeliner. I love it so much. I just bought it the other day. It's an amazing gel eyeliner. It's Wet n Wild gel eyeliner in black. and you could not believe how pigmented it is and how long lasting.